Introduction to Intellectual Property Rights, IPR. It's an important thing for 5 marks. Like we should write 1/2 page. Will give first certain information like first, intellectual properties means property which created with the legal rights conferred, such as it's called as property is called as intellectual property rights granted by the state to encourage the invention, intervention, investments. Okay, invention, intervention, and invest for innovations, interventions, and investments. New things, new interventions for investments, good profits, and repeating the money. IPR law aim to safeguard relation to the processes intellectual goods. Is the law aim the safeguarding the relation of the processor of intellectual goods by the grant by them certain time limited rights for IPR, intellectual property rights. Like we divided into two types, the divisions: industrial property and copyrights. Industrial properties and copyrights, these are intellectual properties are type of rights, legal rights. Okay, these are the legal rights. Remember this, legal rights such as called as properties rights that give the invention, intervention, and investments granted by the IPR, like goods, intellectual goods for the limited time. Like from that like industrial and copyrights in the relation of the patient. Okay, for a safety purpose, intervention, invention, and investment. Cpcsea, Committee for the purpose of control. Committee for the purpose of control and supervision of experiment on an animal, for an animal purpose. Okay, committee for the purpose of control and supervision experiment of an animal. IAEC, committee for the compressing a group of persons to control and supervision on experiment animal. IAEC, this consists a biological scientist. Okay, we need a biological scientist from the different biological departments, physician, and the scientist from the animal facility establishment concern, scientist from the outside of the institution, social person, and representative from the Cpcsea, and specialist may cooperate. Cpcsea is a fundamental duty of every citizen in India to protect, improve national environment such as animals, forests, lakes, rivers for living creatures, unnecessary partial suffering, unfit animal for work and labor, administering any injurious drug substance, confirming any cave or insufficient size for the difficult in movement, insufficient food or drink or shelter, next killing the animals in cruel manner without any need. The central government of India supervise, control the experiments on the animals by the Cpcsea guidelines. Committee